हेलो बच्चों, आज हम करेंगे फोर्थ क्लास की मॉरल का 10th चैप्टर ट्रूथ एंड जस्टिस द वे टुवर्ड्स विक्ट्री। महात्मा गांधी in his autobiography My Experiments with Truth wrote about an incident that had become a turning point in his life. Once he had stolen a piece of gold from home to pay a debt incurred by his brother. He did such a mistake to save his brother, but later he became restless and his mind was haunted by his conscience. The conscience convinced him about the sin that he had committed and he decided to accept it. He took the firm decision not to sin again. He also wrote on a paper about his act and handed it over to his father. When his father, Karamchand Gandhi, read the paper, his eyes were wet with tears. He found in Mohandas a true son. So he tore the paper and embraced him. If we do not accept our mistakes in time, it will lead to a guilty feeling within us. As a result, we will have a depressed mind. A depressed person will run away from others. We will find one or other reason to avoid others from us. We will not be courageous enough to face others. This will create loneliness within us, and thereafter it may lead to many evils in us. Ultimately, such a person will become a mentally sick person. Failure and mistakes are the doorway to success. When we develop a mind to understand and accept our failures and mistakes, we are unable to realize the reasons behind. Once we understand the reasons of failures, we will correct ourselves. This will lead to success. This kind of knowledge is called self awareness. When we become aware of ourselves, we really conquer ourselves. It is told that the greatest enemy, the invisible mountain before a man, is he himself. In order to find internal bliss and wisdom, according to the sages, one has to conquer the ahem, ego, or the I feeling that is developed within oneself. That is why it is said that the acceptance of mistakes through self awareness leads us to victory. In our daily school life, we experience the disagreements among our friends. Whenever such disagreement happens, we see the fact that each one desires renewation but says, let the other come first. Our ego feeling does not allow us to go to the other. But when we admit our mistakes and extend our hand first, the people will praise us. We will be honored. In order to grow to that realm, one should possess the volition growth of the mind. Volitional growth is the state of mind which is mature enough to take firm decisions with willpower. A man of volitions growth courageously say yes to yes and no to no. He will never stand with injustice. He will stand for the principle of truth and justice. Volitional growth can also be said as moral change. It is different from those courageous or brave activities shown in a particular situation. Moral courage is the state of mind which helps one to stand with what is right when all the people oppose. In order to develop such a mind, one has to train his own mind with strong moral principles. A study of moral science will give one the basic idea of variable principle. It will help one to give the priority of values. Thank you.